This whole Palestine thing is our problem, it's our issue, right? And we take it seriously. And the way the infighting amongst the people, just pointing fingers at you did and you didn't do and you're not doing and you're doing and you're not doing and you're supposed to be doing, that itself is already a show of frustration. So I excuse people, and I was saying people don't know what we've done and they haven't listened to the lectures. They say, you've never spoken, you've never done. I have, and what am I supposed to do? Answer you back to say, no, I have, or no. If you haven't heard it, remember, it's not my problem. And another thing is, there are other things that I have done that you cannot do.
Yes.
I don't tell you, you didn't do this, you did, because I know it's not in your capacity, it's okay.
It's a big responsibility. You have to understand the people you're talking to as well.
Yes.
I've sat with you a lot, Sheikh.
Allah.
And I know, alhamdulillah,
Allah.
that you call to the Kitab and the Sunnah.
Allahumma lakal hamd. May Allah make it that way. We're open to correction.
No.
We're open to correction.
And we always correct each other.
Yes, it's true, we do.
And this name calling, وَلَا تَنَابَزُوا بِالْأَلْقَابِ, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us, don't call each other names. Advise one another, wanting the best for your brothers. This is how we have to work together. Wallahi, I love all my brothers and sisters, even those who possibly will do the wrong thing and say the bad things. We want the best for each other. That's Shaykhna al-Habib.
It feels like a letdown sometimes.
Feels like a letdown, but at the end of the day, we want to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Absolutely, absolutely.
And our ham and our worry is the ummah, the community, these young people who are just searching for any identity.